August 15 is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15 August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their life at stake. So we celebrate this day historically in the memory and honor. Because on this day we got freedom from the British rule, which is incomparable. The British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us slaves. On 15 August, we got freedom from the slavery of the British and we are complete independent. In the relentless and pursuit for the freedom, we can also lose many great people in our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their life for our independence of country and willingly sacrificed for our country. The most important contribution to the independence of country has been made by Mahatma Gandhi. He forced him to leave India using weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule. Many great people in country like Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, etc., who contribute to independence of India and liberate the country from the British slavery. We have found such great freedom fighter and revolutionary in history, and they did not liberate only the country but also the coming generation from the slavery of the British rule. For this reason, we are free today and we are achieving new achievement day by day. Today, 75 years after independence, our country is moving toward progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter on every day in different fields like military strength, sport, education, technology and many other fields. It is writing a new dimension on every day. Today, our military strength is equipped with a modern weapon which have power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of an eye. As we know that our country is an agriculture country since ancient time. After 15 August 1947, our agriculture sector has changed a lot. After independence, we produce more quantity of crop by using new techniques in agriculture and new method for growing crops. In 1965, during the war between India and Pakistan, the Prime Minister Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and this slogan it's proved to be quite. We are adopting the science and technology in every field for our. We are adopting science and technology in every field for ourselves. By adopting the science and technology in every field like military strength, agriculture, education, etc., we have been able to ourselves make at par with progressive country, and after independence we made a new progress in every field and write a new dimension on every day. On the auspicious occasion, while we are discussing about the new dimension of the progress of our country, but we do not forget the scene of slavery where the great freedom fighters are sacrificed their life for our freedom. Even today, our eyes is most by the remembering those people. In modern times, we do not forget those people who sacrificed their life for our country. Addressing to you, I end off my speech to paying my respect and tributes to those great revolutionaries. Many thanks to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan.